In October 1942, in honor of the Sullivan brothers who lost their lives in action, a destroyer originally laid down as Putnam was renamed the Sullivans. On April 4th, 1943, the ship was officially launched in the presence of Aletta Sullivan, the mother of the brothers. The Sullivans was commissioned in September 1943. Total displacement 2,924 tons. Length about 380 feet. Beam 39 feet. Draft more than 13 feet. Armament 5 times 5-inch Mark 12 dual-purpose guns in 5 turrets. 2 times 21-inch quintuple torpedo tubes. 6 times K gun depth charge throwers and depth charge tracks. Anti-aircraft artillery 5 times 56 caliber twin Bofors guns. 7 times 78 caliber Oerlikon cannons. Maximum speed 35 knots. Range 6,500 nautical miles at 15 knots.